Flushing and cleaning the air conditioning system. There are plenty of reasons to clean out your car's air conditioner. One potential reason is that you notice a foul odor coming from your air conditioning vents. An even greater reason is to improve fuel efficiency. DIY air conditioning cleanup is something you want to attempt. It is actually not as complicated as you might think. Let us break the process into just 5 basic steps. Take it apart. The first step is to effectively dismantle your air conditioner, giving you greater access to the vehicle's inner workings and allowing you to flush out whatever dirt and debris have accumulated. Take out hoses, evaporators, condensers, or any air conditioning parts you happen to spot. Flush it out. Next, flush out debris by using an aerosol air conditioning flush. Flush out each individual piece of the system, allowing dirt and debris to come out one end, then wipe each of them down with a clean cloth. Search the ducts. The next step is to investigate the ducts, which should look like large tubes that stem from the zigzag tubes of your evaporator. What you're looking for here are leaks. If you spot any holes, use duct tape to patch things up. Remove the accumulator. The accumulator will be shaped like a coffee can. Its role in the engine is to sift out debris and condensation from the air as it prepares to enter your vehicle. But this filtration system gets bogged down over time and is likely the cause of all the dust and debris buildup, so it will need to be replaced. Replace the accumulator. Next, you'll want to purchase a brand new, clean accumulator. You can find one at any auto parts store, but make sure you have the one that matches your vehicle make and model. Cleaning your vehicle's air conditioner is certainly not something to neglect.